Welcome to this demonstration of the new editorial feature on Knowvas. With this update, you can now create EPUB books directly inside Knowvas without relying on external EPUB creation software. As many publishers already know, EPUB offers several advantages over PDF for digital publishing. EPUB files are responsive, mobile-friendly, and provide a much better reading experience across different screen sizes. That is why EPUB has become the global standard for digital publishing, and we strongly encourage publishers to adopt EPUB for their new publications. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the complete process, from preparing your manuscript to publishing your EPUB on Knowvas. For this demonstration, I'll be using a public domain book titled The Prince by Niccolo Machiavelli. Let's get started. Before you begin, make sure your manuscript is ready. You can prepare your content in Microsoft Word, Google Docs, or any text editor of your choice. Once your manuscript is ready, you can simply copy and paste the content directly into the Knowvas Editorial Workspace. In this example, I already have the manuscript prepared. The first section contains the title page, followed by the introduction and the individual chapters. We'll be importing the content chapter by chapter to create a properly structured EPUB publication. To begin, log in to your Knowvas Publisher dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click on Editorial. This will open the EPUB Creation Workspace. For this tutorial, I'll start from scratch so you can see the full workflow. Click on Start Your First Work to create a new project. The first page I want to create is the cover page. Before we continue, let me quickly introduce some of the available editing tools. Inside the editor, you'll find heading styles such as H1 and H2, bold, italic, underline, and text formatting tools, ordered and unordered lists, alignment options including left, center, and right alignment, horizontal rules for section separation, image upload support, AI writing assistance tools. These tools make it easy to create professional quality EPUB publications directly inside Knowvas. One of the most powerful features in the editor is the AI writing assistant. The AI assistant can help you improve your writing, generate content ideas, rewrite sections, summarize chapters, refine grammar and structure, speed up the publishing workflow. I'll briefly demonstrate how the AI assistant works later in this tutorial. For now, let's continue with the EPUB setup. The first thing I want to add is the book cover. Click on the Image tool and upload your cover image. Once uploaded, the image will appear inside the editor. You can resize and align the image as needed. A professional cover image is important because it creates the reader's first impression of your publication. Next, we'll create the title page. Type the title of the book. Then add the author's name and any additional publishing information. You can use heading styles to improve formatting and maintain consistency throughout the book. Now we'll add the introduction section. I'll copy the introduction from the manuscript and paste it directly into the editor. The editor automatically preserves most formatting, making the workflow much faster. You can also make adjustments manually if needed. Next, we'll begin adding the chapters. For each chapter, copy the chapter content from your manuscript, paste it into the editor, apply the appropriate heading style. Review the formatting. This process helps maintain a clean EPUB structure that works properly across reading devices. I'll continue this process chapter by chapter until the full manuscript has been added. Now, let me demonstrate the AI assistant. I can highlight a section of text and ask the AI assistant to rewrite it, improve clarity, summarize the section, expand the content, or correct grammar. This feature is especially useful for authors, editors, and publishers who want to speed up content preparation. As you work on your publication, your work is automatically saved. Knowvas allows you to continue editing your project at any time. This means you can gradually build and refine your EPUB publication before publishing it. Once the editorial is complete, click or tap Export EPUB button to download it. You can preview the EPUB using the Thorium Reader app on Windows or any compatible ebook reader app on Android or iOS. The preview allows you to experience the publication exactly the way readers will see it. You can review text formatting, chapter structure, image placement, navigation, and overall readability. If you notice any issues, simply return to the Editorial Workspace, make the necessary adjustments, and download the updated EPUB file again. When you're satisfied with the final result, click on My Content menu. Click Create Content, select Book to begin publishing the EPUB. Fill in the required publication details such as title, description, keywords, publication year, pricing information. You can choose whether the publication will be free or paid. Select categories or genres of the book. Upload cover image, upload the downloaded EPUB file, upload the sample or extract the sample chapters from the uploaded EPUB file. And that's it. With the new Knowvas editorial feature, publishers and creators can now create, edit, and publish EPUB books directly on the platform. This makes digital publishing faster, easier, and more accessible. Thank you for watching. Knowvas, empowering creators, inspiring readers.